morning, my beautiful family. How are you guys doing? Happy Friday, everyone. Guys, I just show you guys how to make the best pop-off. But I need to show you guys what we use here to accompany this pop-off. Yeah, this is one of the most popular breakfasts in my country. Here, we have just a few things we use for breakfast. I'm going to show you the most popular one that people say around all over here. These are what kids, family members use for breakfast so often in this country. This is business that has been going on for many years and still going on. My mom is still doing this business till today. I'm going to share with you the simple recipe how to make this. We call am cocoa, some people call am bouillie in a foreign language. I don't know how you guys call this, but I'm going to share the recipe with you guys today. As you can see, my water, lemongrass, and bay leaf is already on fire boiling. And here I'm mixing my base. This is just a cup of semon and 1 cup of corn flour already grounded. I leave this to ferment for at least 24 hours. Yes, I make it the previous day so that it can have a little fermented taste and sour taste as well. This is how we do. Here we usually use just the corn or guinea corn, any of those. You can use the guinea corn, that will make it a red color instead, or people use the corn one, which is this color, which is simply white. But since I don't want to use a lot of corn, I just add small corn and semolina flour together and mix it and leave it for 24 hours and this ferment. So this is what I'm using here. As you can see, it's already fermented, so I just mix it with some more water, add it to my boiling water, and this will just boil. You can leave this to boil for at least 40 to 45 minutes. It depends on how thick you want or how light you want it. Anyhow you want it, you can make it for yourself and your family. It's very healthy, easy to make, and the best breakfast we usually have here. As you can see, I did not close it, so I did not want it to boil and pour over. I leave this to cook until it's cooled down completely. Well cooked. So I'm going to let it cool down. Then you can serve it with anything you want. We usually use sugar here. People will add sugar, milk, honey, groundnut, any side dish they like to put inside. I'm using sugar with mine as usual. Very simple. Tell me what you think about this video. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. We usually have this with puff puff or akara, which is baked cake, or some people have with bread. This is the simple and easy way we enjoy breakfast here. Very simple and easy. People still sell it now. My mom is still making business out of this. He's still selling it. If you go to my mom's place today, this morning, you can have this perfect like this one, and puff puff anyhow you want it till today. I'm happy that I can recreate this in my own home by myself. That means even if I'm in any part of the country, anywhere I am, I can still enjoy my homemade by myself. I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.